What's up everyone, it's Rav here and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a world where chores become effortless and your home transforms into a haven of cutting-edge technology. Get ready to explore some seriously ingenious inventions that will have every homeowner saying, "I need that in my life." From smart home gadgets that streamline your daily routine to innovative solutions that elevate your living experience, we've curated a collection of products that redefine what it means to live in the modern age. So buckle up as we unpack the features, dive into the details, and explore how these incredible inventions can transform your house into the home of your dreams. Let's get right into it. Imagine this. You come home after a long day, and instead of stressing over what to cook, a gourmet meal is waiting for you, prepared to perfection by a robotic chef in your very own kitchen. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, Chefee Robotics is turning that futuristic fantasy into a present-day reality. Chefee Robotics is not your average meal kit delivery service. They're taking convenience to a whole new level by integrating advanced robotics into the cooking process. We're talking about a sophisticated robotic arm that can chop, sauté, simmer, and plate your food with the precision of a seasoned chef. But here's the real game changer. Chefee Robotics delivers pre-portioned ingredients in specialized containers designed to seamlessly integrate with their robotic chef. No more measuring, chopping, or cleaning up, just pure culinary bliss at your fingertips. The robotic chef itself is a marvel of engineering. It's incredibly compact, fitting comfortably on your countertop, and features an intuitive touchscreen interface that lets you customize your meals and monitor the cooking process. And let's talk about the food. Chefee Robotics partners with renowned chefs and culinary experts to create a diverse menu of delicious and healthy meals. Whether you're craving Italian, Asian fusion, or classic comfort food, Chefee Robotics has got you covered. But it's not just about convenience and flavor. Chefee Robotics is also committed to sustainability. Their meal kits use eco-friendly packaging, and the robotic chef helps minimize food waste by precisely portioning ingredients. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to cooking fatigue and hello to a world of culinary possibilities, Chefee Robotics is definitely worth checking out. They're redefining the way we think about home cooking, one robotic dish at a time. Calling all plant parents and green thumbs. Have you ever wished you could provide the perfect environment for your leafy companions, no matter the weather outside? Well, say hello to Hey Abby, the climate-controlled growing box that's here to revolutionize your indoor gardening game. Hey Abby is more than just a fancy planter, it's a self-contained ecosystem designed to create the ideal conditions for your plants to thrive. We're talking about precise temperature and humidity control, automated LED lighting that mimics natural sunlight, and even intelligent sensors that monitor your plant's needs. The magic of Hey Abby lies in its smart technology. The system constantly analyzes data from its sensors, adjusting the environment inside the growing box to ensure your plants are always in their happy place. And the best part? You can control and monitor everything from a user-friendly app on your smartphone. Imagine this. You're on vacation, but you can still check on your plants, adjust the watering schedule, and even receive notifications if something needs your attention. Hey Abby gives you peace of mind knowing that your plants are well cared for, even when you're away from home. But it's not just about convenience. Hey, Abby's climate-controlled environment allows you to grow a wider variety of plants, even those that wouldn't normally thrive in your home's natural climate. So, whether you're dreaming of a tropical oasis or a fragrant herb garden, Hey Abby can help you make it happen. And let's not forget about aesthetics. Hey Abby's sleek and modern design seamlessly blends into any home decor, adding a touch of greenery and sophistication to your living space. It's like having a mini indoor garden that's both functional and beautiful. So if you're ready to take your plant game to the next level and create a thriving oasis in your home, Hey Abby is the ultimate green companion. It's time to ditch the inconsistent weather and embrace the future of indoor gardening. K9, Grass, the ultimate lawn upgrade for dog owners. Let's face it, our furry friends can be tough on our lawns. From digging holes to leaving unsightly yellow patches, maintaining a pristine yard with dogs can feel like an uphill battle. But what if there was a solution that could withstand even the most playful pups while keeping your outdoor space looking its best? Enter K9 Grass, the revolutionary synthetic grass designed specifically with dogs in mind. K9. Grass isn't your typical artificial turf. It's engineered using advanced materials and construction techniques to withstand the unique demands of our canine companions. We're talking about exceptional durability, superior drainage, and a realistic look and feel that will have you questioning if it's actually synthetic. One of the biggest headaches for dog owners is dealing with those unsightly yellow patches caused by pet urine. K9. Grass tackles this problem head-on with its innovative drainage system and urine-resistant technology. The specialized backing allows liquids to drain through quickly, preventing odors and discoloration. And let's not forget about durability. K9 grass is built to withstand heavy foot traffic, digging claws, and even the occasional playful tug-of-war. So, you can rest assured that your investment will stand the test of time, even with the most rambunctious pups running around. But it's not just about practicality. K9. Grass also enhances the aesthetics of your outdoor space. With its lush, realistic appearance, it creates a welcoming and inviting environment for both you and your furry friends to enjoy. And here's a bonus. K9 grass is incredibly low maintenance. No more mowing, watering, or fertilizing. Just a quick hose down is all it takes to keep it looking its best. So if you're tired of battling muddy paws, yellow spots, and endless yard work, K9 grass is the game changer you've been waiting for. It's time to give your dog the gift of a clean, safe, and always green playground. Shiniyami Mi Bond, Laundry Day Automated. Let's be honest, laundry day is rarely anyone's favorite chore. Sorting, washing, drying, folding, it can feel like a never-ending cycle. But what if there was a way to reclaim those precious hours and say goodbye to laundry day woes? The Xiaomi Mi Bond, a smart automated laundry system, is here to revolutionize the way we care for our clothes. The Xiaomi Mi Bond is not your average washer and dryer combo. It's a fully integrated system that takes care of every step of the laundry process, from washing and drying to ironing and folding, all with minimal effort on your part. Imagine this. You toss your clothes into the Mi Bond, select the appropriate cycle on the intuitive touchscreen interface or through the smartphone app, and walk away. The system takes care of the rest, automatically washing, drying, and even ironing your clothes to perfection. But here's where the Mi Bond truly shines. Its robotic arm gently removes your clothes from the dryer and transfers them to the integrated folding unit. Yes, you read that right. The Mi Bond folds your clothes for you, creating neatly stacked piles ready to be put away. The Mi Bond is packed with smart features that take the guesswork out of laundry. It automatically dispenses the correct amount of detergent and fabric softener, senses the moisture levels to prevent overdrying, and even offers personalized care settings based on your fabric types. But it's not just about convenience. The Mi Bond is also designed with energy efficiency in mind. Its advanced sensors optimize water and energy usage, making it a more sustainable choice for your home. So if you're ready to break free from the laundry day grind and reclaim your precious time, the Xiaomi Mi Bond is the ultimate laundry companion. It's time to experience the future of laundry care, where technology does the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Eco-Robo Garment Care Presso, the future of garment care. We've all been there. That important meeting or special occasion is just around the corner, and you pull out your favorite shirt or dress only to find it wrinkled and creased. Ironing can be a time-consuming and tedious chore, but what if there was a better way to keep your garments looking their best? Eco-Robo's garment care technology Presso is here to revolutionize your garment care routine. The Eco-Robo Presso is not your average steamer or iron. It's an advanced garment care system that uses a combination of innovative technologies to refresh, de-wrinkle, and sanitize your clothes without the need for heat, harsh chemicals, or endless ironing. Imagine this: you simply hang your garment inside the Presso, select the appropriate cycle, and let the technology work its magic. The Presso uses a gentle combination of steam and air to relax wrinkles and remove odors, leaving your clothes looking and smelling fresh. But it's not just about de-wrinkling. The Eco-Robo Presso goes a step further by incorporating UVC light technology into its cycle. UVC light is a powerful disinfectant that effectively neutralizes bacteria and viruses, leaving your clothes hygienically clean and fresh. The Eco-Robo Presso is incredibly versatile, handling a wide range of fabrics from delicate silks and wools to sturdier cottons and linens. Its smart sensors detect the fabric type and adjust the cycle accordingly, ensuring optimal care for your garments. And let's not forget about convenience. The Eco-Robo Presso is incredibly easy to use, with an intuitive touchscreen interface and a compact design that fits seamlessly into any closet or laundry room. And there you have it, folks. From robotic chefs and climate-controlled gardens to self-cleaning dog lawns and laundry-folding robots, these ingenious inventions are transforming the way we live and interact with our homes. Which of these innovations caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always excited to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of home living, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep innovating and stay tuned.